Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Stellar from your Tangem wallet to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process has gotten even more streamlined, but it's still crucial to do it right to keep your assets secure. Whether you're cashing out for some real-world spending or just diversifying your portfolio, I'll walk you through this step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have both the Tangem Wallet app and a Coinbase account set up. If you haven't already, download the latest Tangem app on your phone. It's user-friendly and packed with security features for 2025. Open the app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Stellar holdings and double-check your balance. This step is key to avoid any surprises later. Next, head over to the Send or Withdraw section in the Tangem app. You'll need to enter the destination address, which is your Coinbase wallet address. Don't have it handy? Switch to your Coinbase app or website, log in, and go to your wallet section. Find your Stellar address, it's usually under the Assets tab, and copy it carefully. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent any costly mistakes, especially with rising blockchain fees in 2025. Now, back in Tangem, paste that address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Stellar you want to transfer, and don't forget to review the transaction fees. In 2025, network congestion might affect costs, so aim for off-peak times if possible. Hit Confirm and authenticate with your wallet's security measures like biometrics or a PIN. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the Stellar network. Sit tight while it processes. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network conditions. Jump back to Coinbase and refresh your wallet to see your Stellar arriving. If everything checks out, you're all set. But if you run into issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for updates. And there you have it. Your Stellar is now safely in Coinbase, ready for trading or withdrawal. Remember, crypto security is always evolving, so stay vigilant. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together.